This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2016 GD Hyundai i30 Active. This shape ran from the third month 2012 to the second month 2017. This vehicle sustained damage to the front. This vehicle is fitted with a D4FB 1.6 litre turbo diesel engine, backed by a front-wheel drive automatic transmission. We have the left-hand fog light and surround. Left-hand front guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch steel wheels. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left-hand power door mirror, the left-hand rear door, factory 16-inch steel wheels. The left rear has a good tyre. Left-hand taillight, left-hand taillight garnish, right-hand taillight garnish, right-hand taillight. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Also has a tidy rear bumper cover. Factory 16-inch steel wheels. Right rear has a good tyre. Right-hand rear door. Right-hand power door mirror. Factory 16-inch steel wheel. Right front has a good tyre. We have the driver's power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black and grey cloth interior. It has a tidy centre console lid, tidy handbrake lever, tidy automatic transmission centre console, automatic transmission gear stick, factory AC controls, factory media player, tidy left front sun visor, tidy courtesy light with sunglass holder, tidy right hand sun visor, automatic transmission instrument cluster. Also has a tidy black vinyl steering wheel with steering wheel controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.